Light. Calibration complete. Connect Wi-Fi. Scan corresponding QR code. Download app. Enter phone settings options. Turn on wireless network. Search the device. Link up. After successful connection, exit setup options. Open the software on the phone. Drone unlocking. The left and right levers of the remote control pull inward or outward at the same time. Unlocking of the drone is finished. Basic operation. Upward. Downward. Turn left. Turn right. Forward. Backward. Left-sided flying. Right-sided flying. 2 levels of speed shift. Gimbal adjustment. Photo taking and video recording function. Press the camera button. Camera takes a photo. Long press the camera button. The camera starts recording. Long press this button again to exit the video mode. Long press the geomagnetic calibration button for 5 seconds. Obstacle avoidance function can be turned on and off. About 2 m in front of the drone lens. Hold one hand horizontally to make a gesture. After the drone successfully recognizes the gesture, count down 3 seconds to take photos. About 2 m in front of the drone lens. Merge 5 fingers and hold one hand horizontally, or show a box to record gestures. After the drone successfully recognizes the gesture, it starts recording. When recognized gestures again, finish the recording. Click camera switch button. To switch front and bottom camera. 50x zoom, adjustable. Waypoint flight. Click a waypoint flight icon. Enlarge map. Draw the flying point. Click the send icon. The drone will start at the initial point, fly to the first point of the flight path, and then fly point by point in order. Interest point around. Click the around flight icon. Click the send icon. The drone nose will be centered on the current position of the drone. Circling clockwise or counterclockwise. Click the GPS follow icon. The drone will follow the mobile phone. Click on the master tracking icon. When the horizontal distance between the drone and the target is about 2 m, start tracking flight. Click on the hand control icon. The drone will follow the palm to fly up and down. The best distance between palm and camera is about 1 m. Click the one-click return icon. Automatically return to takeoff point. Click the MV icon. Enter MV interface. MV function production. Background music can be added. Filter and lens effects. If the drone is used indoors or in a place with poor signal, please enable optical flow mode directly. After the drone and the remote controller are frequency matched, the geomagnetism and gyroscope are calibrated. At this time the drone will automatically carry out GPS search and positioning. The drone cannot take off with the protector is enabled. Need to press the GPS switch button. The remote control makes sound of drip, shows GPS function is closed. The drone is unlocked and can take off. The drone has no GPS function at this time. Please pay attention to the flight distance and altitude when using it to avoid loss. Battery replacement and charging. Remove the battery. Connect USB charging cable to battery charging socket. Connect the other end to the 5V1-2 or adapter USB interface. After charging, insert the battery into the fuselage. Blades installation of the aircraft. Unscrew the screws. Take out the blades. Pay attention to the corresponding A and B blades during replacement. Put blade on. Turn and tighten the screws.